Hey, welcome in Tophat Smoking Barbecue. This is the coronavirus version of our show here today. We're all stuck at home like everybody else. So what we're going to do is we got 3 racks of ribs. I already have these done. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do here. We're going to cook them on 3 different smokers, and we're going to see which smoker makes it more smoky, more tender, whatever we have. We'll see how it comes out. A little comparison. So what we do, we always put a little bit of yellow mustard on for our binder, just to make it stick. And what we're going to use today, we're going with Heath Riles rubs today. We're going to go with a garlic jalapeno. Put that on there. Liberally, give it a nice little flavor. And we're going to go with his pecan rub. Last but not least, we're going to go ahead and hit it with his honey rub, give it a little sweet. And then we'll get the smokers all fired up. And then we'll show you what we're going to do, how we're going to set up each different smoker for this. And we'll show you when we get over the smokers. So there you go. Looking good to eat enough already. See you in a minute. Alright, here we are at the smokers. We're going to be using the Grilla pellet grill. We're going to be using the Weber kettle. We're using the old pit barrel. So we're going to fire the charcoal chimneys up. So we're going to put this one on right here. We're going to go ahead and fire this one up. Put that one on here. It'll take about 20 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. It's going to take about 20 minutes to get these charcoals where we want them. And then what I'm going to do in this grill here is I'm going to put a water pan, and I'm going to just have the charcoals over here, and then of course the pit barrel, you just put them down the bottom, you hang your ribs. And here we're just going to lay it in. And 3 racks ribs, 3 different smokers. We're going to smell like smoke out here. Meat town is going to be in its glory. And we'll show you what's going to happen here when we get back. Okay, here we are. We're going to go ahead and dump our coals in the old pit barrel. Get him down there. Get him nice spread out there like that. Put this up here. We're going to take our rods here, spread them out a little bit. Put these in. Close this up and let it come up a little bit. We come over here. What we do with the Weber, we got a water pan in here. We're going to put the charcoals on this side, and the rib's going to sit here. So that heat is going to be indirect, and it's going to flow up over it like that. So we're going to just go ahead here. Go like that. Like that. Oh, what I'm going to show you, I forgot to do something. We're going to put apple wood in both of these. So, chunk of apple wood there. Chunk of apple wood there. Go ahead and put this on. And we're going to go ahead. We got the vent down there closed at about a quarter. We're going to close this one off about a quarter shoving too. That's how we're going to do that. Put a couple chunks of apple wood over here. And we're going to go get the ribs, and we'll show you what we're going to do with them. We'll be back in a second. Okay, here we are. We got our 2 ribs on these 2 grills. We're going to stick this sucker hanging on the pit barrel. There it is. We're going to cook. We have the rib here away from the fire roll that way. We're going to cook all 3 of these. We got this set at 250. All 3 of these will cook for 3 hours. We'll spritz them probably every hour, hour and a half. So we'll see you back when it's time to show you the next step. Alright, here we are. We're back out here. It's been an hour. We're going to spritz. I am using apple pellets, so we got apple wood and everything. So, alright. Get in there. Some color on it. Looking very good. Alright, apple juice I'm spritzing with. Alright, looking pretty good. Everybody's doing good so far. Alright, we're going to go ahead and... This one should be darker because it's how this thing cooks. Okay. Smoky. Not too bad though. Looking good. So there you go, 1 hour. Everybody getting spritzed. Alright, another hour. We'll see you. Okay, been another hour, so we're going to go ahead and spritz it again, get a look. And they're looking really good. Got to draw it back on the bone a little bit there. Alright. So what we got over here in the Weber kettle. Yeah, man. Looking good. We actually might have to add some charcoals. We'll make that decision here in a little bit. It's looking good too. And let's check out the old pit barrel. Cruising along, I'm sure, as per usual. There's the pit barrel. Get a little color on it. It kind of gets more dark in the pit barrel, but that's just because of the way it's made. Alright, we got another hour. So, we'll see you in another hour. Okay, here we are. What we got here is brown sugar, honey, squeezed butter, and some pecan rub. So we're going to take each one of our rib slabs out, starting with the old pit barrel here. Nice and dark color. We'll pull this out. We're going to set it face down like that. Alright. Alright. Now what we're going to do, we're going to pull this one off of the Weber kettle. He's looking good. Look at that bad boy. At the bend test, he's not there yet, but he's getting there. Face down. Now we do the old silverback Grilla Grow. Face down. Alright, so what we're going to do is now I'm putting all three of these into the silverback because it holds the temp the same. We don't need no more smoke. They're going to be wrapped. So all three will go in there at the same temperature. So we're going to go ahead and wrap these up. And we're going to go left to right. So left is pit barrel, middle is the cattle grill, and right will be the silverback pellet grill. That's how we're going to do this. And we're going to let it sit on there for about another hour, hour and a half, and we'll check it. The left is pit barrel. And then once we check it, we'll pull them off. We'll sauce all three of them back on the pellet grill, 20 minutes, and it'll be time to try them out. So we'll get these wrapped up and we'll see you in a little bit. Alright, bring the back out here. It's been about an hour and a half, so we're going to go left down here. Left is the pit barrel. Middle is the Weber kettle. And right is the pellet grill. So we're going to put that back down. We're going to take a look at it. We're going to get them out. What we're doing now is we're going to check them. And I'm sure they're ready to be sauced. So let's pull it out. Oh yeah, that's ridiculous. Look at that. Beautiful. That's a thing of beauty. Alright. Pit barrel. Pellet grill. Comes the kettle here. Let's see what we got. Weber kettle. Oh yeah. Looking wonderful. Weber kettle. Colors are looking pretty consistent. Alright. This will be darker because it is the pit barrel. Maybe not too bad, yeah. Woohoo. Pit barrel. Oh my goodness. Yeah, a little darker. A little more done. You can see these bones here falling off. That's alright though. So what we're going to do now is we're going to sauce it. I'm also going to put a little bit of the BBQ Rub from Killer Hog, Malcolm Reed. We use all the time right here. We all know Malcolm stuff. We love it. Give it a little bit of Malcolm's flavor. Okay. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we're going to sauce it. What we got in here is 1 cup of Sweet Baby Ray and a half a cup of Heath Riles tangy vinegar barbecue sauce. We're just going to lather it on there. Alright. It certainly is nice. And what's going to happen, we're going to put it back on the smoker here for, I don't know, 20 minutes, a half hour. And that's going to tighten all this stuff back up. So that's that one. Here we go. This is the kettle grill one. They all look very good. I'm sure they're going to taste good. We got next door neighbor doing some construction work. Alright. Now the pellet grill. And they looking good. Enough to make you really want to tie into one of these suckers. So there you go. Looking good, so sure it took a little while. Big difference. Back on we go. So pit barrel, which is really falling apart. Pit barrel, Weber kettle, and the Grilla Grill Silverback. Alright, we'll see you in about 20 minutes. Okay, let's see what we got here. So we're going to go right to left this time. So we're going to go pellet grill. I said it right here on the paper, actually. We're going to go Weber. Webers are looking nice. And we're going to go pit barrel, which was, we were having a little falling apart problem. Still on. Okay. So, sit down here and let's take a look at what we got here. Let's talk about what we did too. What we did was pit barrel, Weber, and pellet grill. Cooked everything for 3 hours. We wrapped them back in the pellet for an hour and a half. Glazed them up for about 20 minutes. So we're going to cut out a section of each one, and then we're going to try them. So I'm going to go ahead and like that, like that. All right, that is pellet grill. Ooh, goodness Lord. Like that. Here's your Weber. Can't. Trouble finding my bone. There it is. Weber. Okay, so here's the pellet grill and the Weber, and here is the old pit barrel. So, like that. There we go. So, there we go. So let's go ahead. Pit barrel, Weber. Pellet grill, let's say. Pit barrel. A good bite. Good smoke flavor. Alright. Weber kettle. Nice bite. Good smoke flavor. Tell you what, these two right here, they taste almost identical, honestly. Let's go with the pellet grill. Okay, here's what I'm coming up with. Fire whistle going off. Definitely getting more smoke with the Weber kettle and the pit barrel than you are with the pellet grill. Pellet grill, I'm going to think, might be a little more tender. It's pretty close. The three of these are really good. I couldn't really tell you. If you like a lot of smoke, you'd go with these two. And I think if you like just a little less falling off the bone, you might want to go with the pellet grill. There's really no clear-cut favorite. You can't go wrong with any method. A little more smoke with these two, a little less smoke, but maybe a little more tender, but not really. Splitting hairs, so there it is, your comparison. You got perfect ribs with all three of these bad boys. So get yourself a pit barrel, get yourself a pellet, get yourself, if you just want to go with the Weber kettle. Can't go wrong. These are some great ribs. We did these a little more fall off the bone. These would not be comp ribs, but these are slap your tongue out ribs at your house. So here it is. The great three cooker comparison, and I'm going to tell you right now, that's three great cookers. So either way, you're doing good. So check back with us here. We'll have another cook here in another week or so. Hope everybody's doing okay with this virus. And wow, we're going to pig out now. See you next time.